You're ready.
Hey, this is Robert at Bushwhacker doing another talk about how to stay warm in the winter, and we talked a little bit about the layering system. Today we're going to talk about your shell or your outerwear. This is a windproof jacket from Pearl. Essentially what it's going to do is keep that wind off of you, so you're going to stay warmer. It's basically what the outer shell does. There is some water resistance with this one. Nice thing about this one is in the days where it's not so cold, it zips off into a vest. Very versatile object for layering throughout the year. One thing I really like to touch on, something I really got into the last couple years, is what's called a soft shell. Soft shell technology still has that wind break to it, some water resistance to it, not a ton, but basically what it does is it provides a little bit of insulation in there and quite a bit of wind stop to it. One of my favorite things about it is it's less layering. Most of the time in the winter I'm using a base layer in this or a long sleeve jersey, and you don't get that crinkling effect going down the road that the wind does with the soft shell technology compared to like a nylon jacket. But good tip on extending your ride.